Alright, this is my final project. For the first week I did color. I took this picture, well, my friend took this picture of me walking through this thing at the zoo. Color is associated specifically with electromagnetic radiation of a certain range of wavelengths visible to the human eye. Red, orange, and yellow are usually more visible because they have longer wavelengths than blue, which is the hardest color to see. We are able to see color because light travels into the retina of our eyes and hits cells called rods and cones. These cells send signals to our brain and allow us to see color. Next was light, and I took this picture from the porch, from my porch back home, and off in the distance is the Flight 93 Memorial. When light hits our retinas, photoreceptors turn the light into electrical signals which allow us to see the light. To me, I thought this picture of Flight 93 Memorial, it's about 12 miles from my house, and it looked a lot like a light pillar. This light beam can reach 18,000 feet and can be seen from as far as 60 miles away. Next was reflection, and for the reflection prompt, I took this picture while I was sitting in my car, the side mirror. A mirror is a reflective surface that light does not pass through but bounces off of. And when the light bounces off of a mirror, it travels into our eyes and we see the image that's in the mirror. Next, I chose this picture that I took while I was at the beach. The ocean plays a fundamental role in Earth's systems by absorbing, storing, and transporting large quantities of heat, water, moisture, and carbon dioxide. The oceans shape our planet's climate. Next is fire, and this is just a picture back home. It's in my yard. We were having a fire that night. The development of a fire is a product of the ignition source and the fuel present. The severity and duration of a fire depends on the nature of the ignition source and the proximity, type, and amount of fuel. Flames can have different colors, and this is caused by molecules that didn't get completely reacted when the flame was started. I took this picture of the sunset from my room here in Yorktown. The colors of a sunset are the result of a phenomenon called scattering. Molecules and particles in the atmosphere change the direction of light rays. Scattering affects the color of the sky, but the details are determined by the wavelength and the size of the particles in the sky. And from that same zoo trip where I got that picture for the color, I took this picture of one of the tigers. Tigers are the biggest cats in the world. They can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh as much as 660 pounds. The claws of a tiger are curved, which enables them to superiorly grasp large prey. The back teeth of a tiger are called carnassials, I think that's how you pronounce it, which enables them to shear meat from their prey like knife blades. And lastly, I took this picture of an airplane taking off. This is also from my room in Yorktown. Airplanes have specifically designed wings called airfoils that move the air on top of the wing faster than the air below the wing. When air moves faster, the pressure of the air decreases, and a plane's engines are designed to move it forward at high speeds, which allows the air to flow rapidly over the wings. And that's it.